In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome language back to English. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. If the browser interface is in a language you don't recognize, don't worry. Icons and menu positions will guide you through the process. Look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots. This is the main menu. From that menu, choose Settings. If you can't read the text, notice that the Settings option usually sits near the bottom of the menu and is often accompanied by a small gear icon. Clicking it opens the main Settings page in a new tab. On the Settings page, you'll see a sidebar on the left. You're looking for the section with a globe icon, which represents language. Even if the labels are not in English, the globe symbol is your clue that you're in the right place. Click the globe icon to open the language controls. Inside the language section, you'll see a list of languages that Chrome can use. Find English in the list. Look for the word English, spelled as you recognize it. Click on English to highlight it, then choose the option that makes English your display language. Depending on your current interface, this may appear as a button or a small menu next to English. The wording can vary slightly, but it will relate to using English for the browser interface or moving English to the top of the list, so Chrome prioritizes it. If you see multiple versions of English, such as English United States or English United Kingdom, pick the one you prefer. The main goal is to set English as the interface language so that menus, dialogues, and settings switch back to English. After selecting English, Chrome may prompt you to relaunch the browser so the change takes effect. If you see a relaunch button, click it. If you don't get a prompt, simply close Chrome and open it again. When it restarts, the interface should be in English, making everything easier to navigate. To recap briefly within the interface you're in, open the three-dot menu, go to Settings, choose the globe icon for language, select English, set it as the display language, and relaunch if asked. Taking a moment to recognize the three-dot menu, the gear for settings, and the globe for language will help you complete these steps, even when the text isn't in English. That's it. You've restored Google Chrome to English and should now see your menus and settings clearly in your preferred language.